Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a terrific Tuesday. Hope y'all are doing good. Look at this. We are at the 80% line. No doubt this is what we call uh, an inflection point, an area of resistance and support. And no surprise that we're right here. So price really wants to go, because we're oversold now, really wants to pop up into this area and to fill these gaps. So we shall see. Now we can spend some more time in here. Definitely, we can certainly go down, but price wants to get back into the fair value zone. Let's look at the regular little chart here. So we're down almost 0.5%. Nice little go slow roll down, hardly no volume looks like. And the AD just keeps rolling down at a 206. We're almost in the 14 handle of VIX. So, but just, good little thing down. And this is good for our positions. Now, normally we'll lose money on our net lick during the day, but at expiration, it'll really kick up. So nothing to see here, just a down day. So let's see how our little account's doing today. First of all, I wanted to show you how we ended up the month of May. We were up 3.11%, y'all. How about that? 3.11%. And we are up 10.06% on the year, which is really, really phenomenal. So let's go here today. And today is 6/4/24. Let's see if our little count. Now, our count will be down because of Bill. Remember Bill? And Bill has that dividend on the first trading day of the month. And it is going to show us down a little bit. Let's see. Let me see where all my stuff is here. Hold on. My kid's been playing on my phone. Where's my darn thing at? Oh, now I can't see my tasty trade app. There it is. Tasty trade. So let's see how we're doing today on this rainy day in Georgia. And we are at, well, let me do this and do this and do this and do that. So we are at 271, 499, 271, 499. So we're down a little bit, but mostly because of the bill dividend, right? So let's see what our Greeks and ratios are today. So we are at 328, 285. 328, 285. What does it mean? 328, 285. So the 328 is our delta. And remember, in our car analogy, that is our speedometer, how fast we're going. And we are going just fine because the VIX is 13. VIX is 13. So we're doing just fine there. And look, our theta is right where it needs to be at 0.10%. That is perfect theta. So theta is our fuel gauge. How much fuel do we have in the tank? And you and I should be making $285 each and every day. Isn't that cool? So now let's see what our buying power is. And we don't count the bill buying power. So we look here and we're at 113,580. Don't count bill. 113,580. So we're at 41%, y'all. Looking really, really, really good. And let's see what our position sizing is now that we took money out of this. It says we should be doing 1.5 things a week. So that's good. Let's go to our trade tab. See if anything tells us that we ought to be closing them. I don't see any auto close signals there. Do y'all? Nothing there. So since we can be using up to 50% of our capital, we need to do a trade. And in this account, we use the big boy. We use the ES. Well, I guess SPX would be the big boy, but we use ES. So let's go to the trade tab. Let's go to 120 days. So we got 136 or 118. Let's go to 118. And let's do 10% probability of being in the money. So 3150. So that's the 4800s. We're going to try for 3175. Probably not going to get filled. So we'll go back to our working orders. Hold on a second here, change this. Our working orders. Wow, we got filled in the GTC yesterday, y'all. Look at that. How about that? We need to put that in, don't we? So working orders 3150. Let's go to 3175 or 3125. So we're at 3175. Let's try 3150. That should fill. And in we are. So 3150, and we did 3150. Remember 3150, 4800. 3150, 4800, 3150. 4800, 3150. And the day's to expiration was 118. Beautiful. All right, so let's do ES. We did one contract. So we'll call this naked put 35, I guess. Since we had a put debit spread 34 puts. This was a naked position. And today is 6-4. There we go. So now we need to put in a put debit spread. We know that's going to be ES. We know we're going to move one contract. We're going to call this MP35. Put debit spread, 118 days. Control your colon. And we don't know the price yet. So let's put this one in.
PDS 35.
Oh, you're right. PDS 35. Thank you, Hal. PDS 35.
It looked like you also got a GTC filled on Friday.
Yeah, so we got to take care of him for sure. Don't let me forget it. Okay, let's go here and let's see. We want about a 25 delta or so. We don't want to, overlap positions here. So let's do the 5150. Shut that dog up. 5100 for 930. So 5150 for 930. There we go. 5150 for 930. 5150 for 930. So the 4800 and the 5150, let's go put them in their groups. NP35 positions. Let's see, where are they? ESC 5150, 4800. Here we go. So this is NP35. Group position, NP35. And then the 5150, 5100 is PDS 35. All right, now we did have a GTC field, so let's look at that. Activity. GTC field, we filled 20 cents. We bought back the 3250s at 24 days. 3250s at 24 days, and we did 12 of them. Yeah, wow. 3250s, 24 days. Let's see that.
Got one on Friday too.
I think I don't know if I've done that one or not.
Those are 40 cents.
What?
Did you buy the duck medicine yet?
No, I didn't.
You need to do that.
Okay,
He's walking way much better.
good. Okay, I got to buy the duck medicine.
We're gonna leave him for another day and here because it's raining. and
Okay, I tell Mama to call Daniel Jackson Feed Mill, see if they got some niacin for ducks. Okay. So let's do this one first. So we did the 3250s for 3250s. Let me go find that. 3250. This is kind of hard to keep up with, y'all. 3250s. 3250s. Here they are. No, that's 6 of them. Here we go. 12 right here. We filled those for 12 or for 20 cents. 0.20. So close those on 6/3/24. Beautiful. So that means I could probably go out and sell 12 more. Let's see what else we got. And you're right, we filled one on 6/3. Let's see what that is. Or on 5/31. So 6/3 filled, 5/31 filled. We did I think those are the ones that I did automatically. Remember, I already done those, Hal. I did them for 40 cents and did the 9. Yeah, I did that one. Remember, I changed, the thing was 20 cents and I changed that to 40 cents. So I think we've already done that one. So I could actually go out and sell 12 more. Now, here's the thing, y'all. Everything is subject to your Greeks and ratios. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Our Greeks and ratios are basically saying, hey, you're good. You don't necessarily need to do anything, but I think I could at least sell 9. So let's go out and let's do positions or trade. And let's see if we can sell 9 at about, let's see if we get 118 days. Let's sell 9 at $3. Way out of here, really protected. 3200s for 310. And let's do 9 of those. 9 for 310. Good. 3200s. We did 9 for 310. 3200s. 118 days. 310. And then let's enter all the other stuff about them. So this was ES. This is 9. And we're going to call this BSH 25. And puts and short hedge. And we did it today. Control colon. There we go. So short hedge 3200s, BSH 25. Let's go now and let's close them. Set a GTC order to close them. And we're going to close them when they're at 20 cents. We hope at 20 cents. And we're going to do GTC. And then we got to buy 5 tranches, right? This is, no, 3 tranches. 3. So we got to buy 15. Buy 15 when we can do so. So the whole thing is a profit. And we know at $1.55 that will be profitable. DTC. And let's go back and we said BSH 25. So let's go grouping, positions. Where is he? BSH 25. BSH 25. All right, folks, that's how you do it. Little portfolio management for the day. We got some hedging and we got some new trades. And now it would be interesting to see what our Greeks and ratios are after we did that, wouldn't it? So now we're at 401, 350. 401, 350. So my speedometer's good. I'm not going too fast. This is a little high, but that's okay. And our buying power should have gone up to, let's see, cap requirement. Let's do get that refreshed. So now we're at 132.3. 132.3. Hope that's not over 58. No, that's good. 48.73%. Boom. We're right where we need to be. This is a perfect account, right where we need to be. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see y'all tomorrow.